Here's Zero. There's the dad. That's the brother. Just got done brushing the Pyrenees. Gotta clean up all them hair now. Gotta brush these guys next. Simba's always very reserved. I believe he's got some training as a pup. He's not as rowdy or as hyper playing around. He's listen pretty well. Behave a lot. Probably just don't understand the English. Simba. He never horseplay. The only time he goes a little, I wouldn't say out of control, excited, is chasing us down a scent. Other than that, puppies, toys, chickens, he'll just stand looking around. Simba. Simba. He's like going almost 4 years old now, or probably already 4. I'll have to check. And then these are his 2 sons, 0 and a 1. The only time they could be together is when you're not feeding. If you're feeding, they can't be together anymore. And then that's Beagle. I gotta go clean up all the hair. Get a vacuum out here, I guess. Beagle, come on. Beagle. And that's the update for my dogs. The female's with her puppies back there. Or the mom, I guess I should say. So you can see Zero is thicker. He's more slim, more of a athletic build. Versus this guy, he's just fat. And that's all I got for you guys.